Hello and welcome to the new video. Whether you've experienced some performance issues or you just want a simply fresh start, or maybe you picked up some virus on the internet and now your PC is broken. You maybe watched my video or someone else and tried to perform factory reset and it failed for some reason. Two of my most popular videos on the channel is how to perform a factory reset, and what I always recommend people in the comments is that at that point of time you want to reinstall your Windows or to perform clean install. What that means? It means that you just take bootable flash drive and reinstall Windows from the beginning. Before we begin, it's important to know that reinstalling Windows 11 will remove all your files and programs, so make sure to back up any important data you want to keep. Once you've done that, we are ready for the first step. The first step is to gather all necessary tools. You will need a USB drive with at least 8 GB of storage capacity. Make sure it is empty, as all the data on it will be erased during the process. You will also need a working computer and an internet connection to download the Windows 11 installation files. Okay, now let's check first few things. You want to go on right click on the start menu icon and go to disk management. In there you can check for all your available drives. In here we want to find out which one is the system disk. For me it is disk number 2. As you can see, it have two partitions more behind the C drive. We need to know that because while we reinstall Windows, we need to check on which disk Windows will be installed. You can also check that through CMD. Just run CMD, type disk part. In disk part you want to type list disk, and you can see that disk number 2 is the drive for our system. And you need to remember that for you maybe it will be disk 1 or any other drive. Okay, now open your preferable browser. You want to type Windows 11 Media Creation Tool. Hit enter. In there you want to go to download Windows 11 from Microsoft website. You want to go to create Windows 11 installation media. And of course check for requirements. Okay, now you want to click download now. Head over to folder where you downloaded media creation tool. You already plugged in your USB drive, so you just want to open media creation tool. We have getting a few things ready. Okay, now head over to accept. If you want to read this, you can read it. Okay, now what I want to do, it will gray out these things when you check this box, but you want to stay that way. Now choose which media to use. So you want to use USB flash drive. ISO will create a ISO file for you. Now select a USB, the one that you have plugged in, and now it is downloading Windows 11. Okay, catch you up in a bit. We're going to skip this one. Okay, as you can see, we have skipped previous parts, so we are at 99% of progress for creating bootable flash drive. There are a few things more that we need to do. You want to find out what is your boot menu key for your motherboard. I will show you how to do that in a bit. And flash drive is ready, so I'm gonna switch to camera since I don't have capture device to record you screen what we need to do to finish installation of Windows 11. Now what you want to do, you want to go to your browser, but first find out in system information what is the model of your motherboard. So for example, you can see here MicroStar or MSI X570. Find down the model. Now go to browser and type the model of your motherboard. Hit enter, and as you can see in here, for my motherboard is F11 to enter boot menu. You can check, for example, I don't know, gigabyte. The first result is to enter BIOS. You can do boot menu also from BIOS. But in here you can check that F8 is for boot menu on gigabyte motherboards. Okay, we are switched to camera. What you want to do is to go and restart this PC. And now right at this moment you should start tapping F11 for my motherboard or any other key for your motherboard. You will see that in a second. So just to focus. Okay, as you can see, this is boot devices. I'm choosing the one that I have created, Kingston. And now you just need to wait for installation menu to pop up. Okay, here it is. So you want to check language to install, time and currency format, cable or input method. If you want to change anything, change it in here. Go to next and click install now. Now the setup is starting. Okay, Windows setup. You can type here product key if you have it written on some paper. Else you want to click I don't have the product key, head over to which Windows you want to install and click next. Okay, now you want to read these agreements, or you don't have to. Go to checkbox and click next. Okay, now you want to go to custom install Windows. Now the thing that we talked about in drives. So as you can see in here, we need drive 2 to install Windows, and what we need to do is to delete all the drive 2 partitions. So click on the partition and click delete. Okay, now the second one, unallocated space you leave, delete, and the last one. Okay, and as you can see, now we have drive 2 unallocated space with all free space. You want to click on that and click next. And now you are installing Windows, and I'm really proud of you, since you pretty much are at the end of the Windows 11 installation. Okay, now I'm going to skip to the part where you need to configure it from UI. Okay, here we are, fresh Windows 11. Okay, you wanna choose your country or region. For me, it is Serbia. I'll click yes. Keyboard layout, yep, US. Wanna do another one? Nope, skip. Now it is checking for updates. Okay, let's name your device. You wanna give it some proper name. For me, it is going to be Chichinjo. Okay, now PC is rebooting and it is up again. So how would you like to set up this device? So I'm going to set up for personal use, unlock Microsoft experience. There is a way to, you can log into your Microsoft account. If not, you can create local account in the way that I'm just going to do. So just type no at thankyou.com and want to click next. Type any password, literally any, and type sign in. So oops, something went wrong. Next. Locally, who is going to use this device? Well, you know, Chichinjo. But we can add that name since our computer name is Chichinjo, so we are going to go with Chichinjo official. And click next. So we have our local account created. We are going to go without password. I'm usually turn off all these location, device, diagnostic data, advertising IDs and click accept. So again, it is checking for updates. So getting few things ready. This might take a few minutes. If you have M.2, it will not. Almost there. And bop. Windows 11 is successfully installed. As you can see, after you have finished with installation, right click on the start icon, settings, go to Windows Update and go for check for the updates. Be sure to install all the updates. Also, after checking, you want to scroll down and go to Advanced. And now go to Optional Updates. In there you will find if you have any missing driver, just check the box and click Download and Install. Leave it to update and after that restart. And yeah, pretty much this is it. You have successfully installed Windows 11. If you have any issues, you can write me down below in comments. Else, if you have installed your Windows as I have shown you, good job. Thank you very much for watching. Leave a like, subscribe on the channel if you want to donate. There are links down there in the description. And yeah, until the next time, peace.